In this question we've got two shapes and we're told the area of both shapes are equal. So the first thing to do is work out the area of the first shape. So the first shape is this rectangle. To work out its area, we multiply the length and the width together, basically the two measurements. So I've got the 3x plus 2, and I've got to multiply it by the x plus 1. Now whichever way you do this, there's more than one way of doing it. One way is to do the smiley face sort of way. 3x times by x is 3x squared. 3x times by 1 is plus 3x. Plus 2 times by x is plus 2x. Plus 2 times by plus 1 is plus 2. So that's going to give us 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. It's one way of answering that sort of question. Another way of doing that multiplying together, we had to multiply together 3x plus 2 and x plus 1. And another method of doing it is this grid method. So if we times x by 3x, we get 3x squared. If you times x by plus 2, you get plus 2x. If you times 3x by plus 1, you get plus 3x. If you times plus 1 by plus 2, you get plus 2. Now all the bits you've written down inside this table, all of those four, just write those down together, joining the bits up if you can. I've got 3x squared, I've got plus 2x and plus 3x, which altogether makes plus 5x, and I've got the plus 2. Either way, we end up with the same thing. We've got the area of that shape. So now we need to find the area of the second shape. We need to split this shape up into two. The top bit is a rectangle, x along there, 3x along there. Area of this shape is x times by 3x, which is 3x squared. Now we need to look at the bottom shape. This distance all the way along here is x add y. So all the way along there is x add y. The length here is 5, so the area of this shape, those two multiplied together, is 5x plus y. And if I get rid of the brackets, that's 5x plus 5y. So altogether, this shape has an area of the top bit plus the bottom bit. So it's got an area of 3x squared plus 5x plus 5y. And we're told the two shapes have the same area. So let's go back and look at them together. The shape on the left had an area of 3x squared plus 5x plus 2. The shape on the right had an area of 3x squared plus 5x plus 5y. Now if you look at them, we know they're equal. 3x squared, that's in both of them. 5x, that's in both of them. They're equal so far. Here I've got a plus 2 and a 5y. Well, those bits must be equal. So 2 must equal 5y. And y is what we've actually got to find out in this question. So if 2 equals 5y, I want 1y, I need to divide by 5. So if I divide 2 by 5, I get 2/5. That's what the fraction is. It's 2 divided by 5. If you want it as a decimal, it's 0.4. But there's your answer for that question. Y is 2/5 or 0.4.